On this episode, I'm going to be showing you some door locks and portable ones that you can use to install to your door so that you can better protect your home from any invaders or burglars. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Fall season is here, winter is just around the corner, the days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, and this is the perfect time for burglars and theft to occur right around your home. So this is the best time for you to start protecting your home, starting with your door. I know I made a bunch of home security videos already, so if you're interested in watching that, make sure you watch those videos, which I will provide in here after you watch this video. I know the market is flooded with all these types of home security systems that you can install on your door, but let me start off with the ones that are very effective, in my opinion, that you can easily install on your door and make those burglars have a hard time getting through that door. So let's start off first with this first product, which is the portable lock. Now this is going to be a very important one, especially if you're traveling around, going to different hotels and whatnot. And let me show you how this little device can save your life. Called the portable door lock. It's added security to any door, whether you're at home, you're in your office. In this case, I'm in a hotel room, and I'm going to show you how easily you can install this so you can have added security anywhere, and it's travel size. So let me show you how easily to install it. So it comes into three pieces. You have the insert, the chain to connect this so you don't lose this barricade system. Now on the insert, you have two options. You have one for bigger bolts and you have for the smaller locking bolts. In this case, I'm going to use the bigger size. So for this inward swinging door, take your insert, just install it and place it inside of where the door latch is. So hold on to the insert and just close the door till you hear it click like that. Make sure you don't insert it here where the door frame is. You have to place it right up against the door. So take this, I know it moves around like that, just like this. And then you're just gonna use that and press down till it's nice and secure. And that's pretty much it. Now the beauty of this is that you don't even have to lock this like that. Whether it's unlocked or not, if someone is trying to get in, they cannot get in because this thing is pushing right against. The harder they push in, the more force this exerts, so it locks it in place so they cannot get in. So you don't necessarily need a lock anymore because this acts as a lock. It's added security to any door. Once you're done, easy to use, just go lift it up, take it out of the hole, open the door, and you can go on your way. So once again, this is called the portable door lock. I'll leave it in the link on the description down below, or check out the link on my Amazon store. Again, it comes with a travel pouch, easy to use in travel. Have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Here's a lock that stands true, and I actually believe on this one. It's very easy to install and very effective as well. Right after you install, all you have to do is pull out and it locks in just easily like that. And I actually have one installed on this door already. These are secured with 3-inch screws. I don't recommend you using any smaller than that. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, all 3 inches long. The reason why you want it that long is because you want that to penetrate right through the door frame all the way to the studs that is attached to your main house. Finally, we're going to install the 3-inch screws. That's pretty much it. Simple as that. Now let's go test and close this door and see the fit door. Now what I highly suggest when you're installing this lock is that you want to place it right around this area where your deadbolt, your door handle is around here, because most of the impact will come from this side. If someone's trying to kick in your door, most of the force will be right here. If you install this right at the top, that's a weak spot. And if you go install in the bottom, that's a weak spot as well. So putting it right here will maximize the effect of this thing working if there was a sudden impact from the outside. So if you didn't catch it yet, another one that I want you to upgrade, if you have the chance, is to upgrade your door strike. This is about an 1/8 inch thick steel plate that will connect your deadbolt all the way to your strike plate or to your latch right here all in one. This makes your door frame so much stronger, including you installing this 3-inch screws. Everything that you should screw into your door frame should be at least 3-inch screws all the way around, because that will further support it anywhere around to your house. When you place this against the existing hole, you might end up having to chisel just a little bit away on the inside of your strike holes. If you have a chisel, relieve a little bit on the inside to make up for that thickness. Got a 1/2-inch chisel right here, and just take a hammer, or if you have like a little tiny Dremel, just Dremel just a tiny little piece off so that you can compensate for that thickness. Line it up. Yep, that's a 3. The old one that we had was 2.5. Before we start screwing the rest of the screws in, we're gonna go test it out again, see if it latches and locks. Perfect. There we go. Fits perfect. So the next thing that I want you to do, and I highly recommend you do this, is that if you look over here where your hinges are, your door hinges, you see how they have screws as well? Change these out to 3-inch screws. Notice how you have 1, 2, 3. So when you get a chance, especially for your entry door, go and check what the length of these screws are. For mine, I don't think these are even 3-inch screws. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out and replace them with 3-inch screws so that this will be better supported, because this right here, this won't be as effective as well. If you put 3-inch screws here but you have weak connections on your door hinges, it might as well not be that effective if these are not supported as much as the other side. So make sure that you change this out to 3-inch screws. Another one that I really like that I installed on my door are this little latch right here. What's great about this is that, see this little knob, you can turn this so that it will go vertical, and it will further allow this to not go forward, because some people, I don't know what trick they do, but somehow they can still get this to pop right across like that. But if you have this, it will act as an added support for this, will block that from opening throughout like that. If you get a chance, I also have a cipher lock as well right here. Something easy if you choose to, but again, that's optional. You don't have to go that far, but again, at least have a deadbolt on your entry door. Another one that I highly recommend, and you can keep this in your car as well, just in case you stay over to a hotel or Airbnb, and that is one of these right here. And this acts as a device so that you can jam your doorknob from the inside, so someone from the outside trying to get in, this bar right here will jam that and prevent that door from swinging right open. And trust me, it does work. I carry this all the time and I keep it in my car. It's very easy, and you can adjust it with all this perforation in the back. You can adjust it to any length or height doorknob that you may encounter. All you have to do is adjust it, place it right against into your doorknob. This foot all the way to by the door, recommendation is 15 to 18 inches. Now this is just for demonstration, so make sure you keep it like around 15 to 18 inches away from your door. The little pin at the top, you can pull this out. You can take out this little yoke like so, and if you have a sliding door, you can use this to jam it right where that door is as well. So there you have it, friends. Those are my top few suggestions that you can easily install onto your entry door or any door to protect yourself from any invasions or burglaries, and protect you especially when you're traveling out there on the road and staying in these hotels or Airbnbs. What I really like though is how easily you can carry and install this portable door lock right here. Even if you forget to lock your doorknob, this thing will stop it and will not make that door go any further and open it. So again, if you're interested on this one and any other products that I installed or showed you on this video, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. Check those out, and let me know in the comment section down below which one you already have on your door, which one works the best for you, and which one you recommend for all the viewers, and share with the community. Okay friends, so if you found this video super helpful, friends, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and share this video to as much people as possible, because again, it's that time of the season where the days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer, winter time is coming. These are the times where burglars and theft usually are on the rise, so make sure you share this so that we can protect everyone in the community. Thank you so much, friends. I'll see you on the next video.